Hi, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how a voice-enabled smart device such as Google Assistant or Amazon Echo Dot can integrate with Sphera products to help with data entry and reporting. Today I'm going to demo three scenarios. Scenario one is incident creation, where someone like a forklift operator or someone who is not computer savvy witnesses an incident or a near miss, but does not have the time to log it into Sphera and uses Google Assistant to actually log the incident or near miss. The second scenario is where a corporate manager wants to know if there are incidents logged in a specific location and how Google helps with that. The third scenario is adding tasks to a calendar, and these tasks could have been as a result of recommendations from an audit. All right, with that, let's jump straight into the demonstration. Okay, the first scenario is creating an incident. Hey Google, I'd like to create an incident.
Okay, getting the test version of Sphera Cloud. Would you say this is an injury, environmental, property damage, vehicle, or other type of incident?
Injury.
Please specify a location.
Houston.
Please provide a short description.
Employee suffered 2 broken hand bones when being crushed by a piece of equipment, and 3 other workers suffered amputation from unguarded chain and socket assemblies.
This has now been created. You should also receive a confirmation email. Thank you for using Sphera Cloud Pro. Would you like to report another incident or near miss?
No, that's about it.
Thank you for using Sphera Cloud today.
Next, I'm going to demonstrate how Google does the searching for incident and does reporting by location. Hey Google, search for an incident.
Okay, here's the test version of Sphera Cloud. What location would you like me to look up?
Houston.
Houston has 10 new incidents that are property type related and 1 fatality.
Okay. Okay, the third scenario is where we are going to create an event on the calendar. Hey Google, I would like to create a task on my calendar.
Sorry, I can't add events to your calendar yet.
Hey Google, I would like to create an event on my calendar.
What's the title of the event?
Check chain and socket assembly.
Okay, when is the event?
Tomorrow.
At what time?
10 a.m.
Okay, check chain and socket assembly tomorrow at 10 a.m. Do you want to save this?
Yes.
Sure, I saved your event.
Okay. The last demonstration is to use Amazon Echo Dot to create an incident. Hey Alexa, I would like to report an accident in Sphera Cloud.
Let me help you with that. Is this an incident or near miss?
Near miss.
Would you say this is an injury, illness, environmental, property damage, vehicle, or other type of near miss?
Environmental.
Where did the environmental near miss occur?
Houston.
When did the environmental near miss occur?
Yesterday.
Your environmental near miss at Houston has now been submitted. You should also receive a confirmation email. Thank you for using Sphera Cloud Pro.
Okay. So with the demo being done, here is my thought on marketing or packaging this. We could either make it available for download as part of our installer for the products that this supports, such as Impact, Revo, Stature, Sphera Cloud Pro, whichever product we find would make good sense for it, correct? Or we could offer additional services just like we do custom configuration for our products. Let's dive a bit deeper into the details on what we did for the wife. And we decided to use Google Home, but there are other applications you could have used as well, such as Siri or Cortana or Google integration in Android devices. The way Google works is it actually sends your speech-to-text request to the speech-to-text interface, and from there it calls API.ai, which then calls the webhook to generate the data into the database and return us the information we need. So in order to make this work, I had to create what are called intents. And as you can see here, I created two intents, one for create and one for search, which were the two scenarios that I demonstrated. And adding tasks was an inbuilt Google functionality. Once you create an intent, you also need to create what are called entities, which are name-value pairs for the most part. So for example, if you have an incident category, some of the answers could be environment, injury, vehicle, and those types. The way Alexa works is fairly straightforward, where it calls the skills interface to send audio to resolve, and that in turn calls the skills service to return the response for the intent. Any questions?